Actually, I find it quite a nice sound actually, but thing is, I think we should try it at least to see how it sounds with a string in it. So I have here just some cotton. Yeah, sewing machine cotton. It should be quite a thick one. This is about, well, there's no size on it, but anyway. We're going to take a length which will just go around like this, and then we will cut that. So now what we're going to do is just simply, can you see this good here? Maybe you get, yeah. I'm going to take the end here and I'm going to, well, I'm using this knife. A knife should be blunt. You can imagine why. We don't want any sharp objects going here under. So it's a blunt knife with a thick edge here. This is a sharper edge, but we're going to use the thin edge, or the thicker edge, to save the skin. So we're going to take some like this, and we're just going to put it under there, like that. And we don't want to go all the way in, but maybe 3/4 of the way or something will be sufficient. Leave that part out. And then we're going to, with the blunt edge, we're just going to, we hold it here to keep it in position, and then we just feed it through, like that. Keeping it just over the half. We're just going to put that in like that. So that's almost done. Actually, I'm going to take it out to there, because that part will fill up the space. This part here will fill up the space. So now we can just listen. We have a much better sound. Yeah. So that's good. So what we're going to do, I'm just going to cut this part here. Oh wait, I can see that needs to go a little bit deeper. Yeah, I'm just going to cut this here. Once it's in, it's very difficult to get out. So be sure you want it. Yes, I will address this again in another video called maintenance or cleaning the tabla skin. Okay, so this is now in. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay. We're finished. Thanks for watching. I hope you've learned something from this quest. And thank you, Elric, for your help and your muscles. And if you have any problems, let me know. I'll try and help you. Thank you.